Hello and welcome by a new episode of the Immortal and Vegan. This is my Halloween cooking video because today I make for you pumpkin cookies made from pumpkin for this Halloween. At the moment I've been cooking a cup of pumpkin on the fire. We need around 50 grams of sugar, half banana, dates. This is around 200 grams of wheat flour and a little bit of cinnamon. Now the banana is as replacement for the chicken periods, because this is one non-chicken period recipe, because this is a vegan recipe, and vegans don't eat things that come from the period place of the chicken. The cloaca, which is a combination of the shithole and the female procreation organ. Now, the pampoon is cooked. I put it also in the bucket. And I will mash it a little bit. We'll see if that is ready. Put the sugar to it. The cinnamon. And the whole of the flour, around something like that. And mix that together, but a little bit more. Until you have just around something like 50 grams left. And then put the last bit to the bucket. Now, if you mix it to a bowl like this, let it stay for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it rest, and then you can put it in the oven. I've put it in little balls. After the rising of the dough, you cut it in blocks. All around the same size. So this was my video. If you like this recipe for pumpkin cookies, like this one, this for Halloween, give this video a thumbs up and let a comment in the comment section. Forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Well, you see my next time. Dit was IMMORTAL Vegan.